Am I the a-hole for sleeping with my boyfriend's younger brother after he asked for an open relationship? I have been with my BF for about 2 years. Never had any issues until last month when he asked to open our relationship. He said that all men have the innate desire to sleep with as many women as they like. He said that women are attracted to men like him who are in their peak physical shape and that he should take advantage of that. Something about men wanting to spread their seed far and wide. I did not see this coming at all. I was appalled. At the end he said that I'm wife material and the woman he wants to come home to, but of course that just rubs salt on the wound. However, I told him that this is fine and asked if he has anyone in particular in mind. He was surprised by my reaction and told me how awesome I am for being so understanding. Then he showed me his Tinder and upcoming date. He knew that this arrangement only benefited him because I'm not into casual flings, so wouldn't be sleeping around. He even said that he knows that I wouldn't go looking for other guys because I'm too sweet and loyal. So, he has a 19-year-old brother and I called him the following day. I explained the open relationship situation to him and asked if he's interested in some fun. Long story short, he was willing but felt insecure because he was a virgin. I told him that's okay. We made love later that night. Afterwards I asked my BF about his date and he said he had a great time. I told him that I met a younger, cute rugby player who was shy and inexperienced. He was curious and asked for a picture, which I showed him. Utter chaos. He had a complete meltdown and called me all sorts of slurs under the sun. I told him it's natural for me to want someone like his younger brother, peak physical form and all that. He was still blowing up my phone even after I left his house and sent me dozens of texts. I told him the relationship is over, but he kept saying that he forgives me even though I'm deeply messed up and deranged. He suggested therapy but claimed it might not help someone as evil as me. Am I the a-hole?